Hello, and welcome back to Capital Clarity. Before we get into today's video, if you enjoy this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more content and ways to become financially free and earn passive income. I'm Warren Buffett, and my journey from a young boy in Omaha to a renowned investor has been a remarkable one. Now let me share 3 tips, drawn from my experiences, to help you on the path to financial freedom. 1. Invest for the long term. Focus on businesses with enduring value. The true wealth lies in patient, long-term investments that can weather the storms of the market. 2. Understand what you invest in. Don't invest in things you don't understand. Whether it's stocks or businesses, thorough knowledge is your best ally. Stick to areas where you have expertise. 3. Embrace the power of compounding. Let your money work for you over time. Compounding is like a magic formula that can exponentially grow your wealth. Be patient and let compounding do its job. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and comment down below your current standpoint on investing.